In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in LinkedIn Learning. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first need to sign into your LinkedIn Learning account. Head over to the LinkedIn Learning website and enter your login credentials, which will include your email and password. Once you've done that, you'll be on your dashboard ready to manage your account. Next, look for your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will pull up a drop-down menu where you can find various options related to your account. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This area is where you can manage your personal preferences and account details. After accessing Settings, you want to navigate to the Account Type section. Here, you will find a few options, and you should click on the Subscribe option. This will take you to a view of the available subscription plans that LinkedIn Learning offers. Whether you're looking for an individual plan or a team plan, take the time to review these options to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, you'll be taken to the Payment section. In this area, you'll need to select your preferred payment method. LinkedIn Learning offers several options, typically including major credit cards and PayPal. Choose the one that you'd like to use for your subscription. With that done, it's time to enter your payment details. You'll typically need to input your card number, expiration date, and any necessary billing information, depending on the payment method you selected. It's really important to double-check this information for accuracy. Providing incorrect details could lead to billing issues down the line, which no one wants to deal with. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary information, look for the Save button. Clicking this will confirm your payment method and activate your subscription. This means you can now dive into LinkedIn Learning's vast library of courses right away. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a payment method in LinkedIn Learning. With your subscription active, you can start learning from thousands of courses designed to help you enhance your skills and boost your career. Remember, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips like these. Happy learning!